New developments tonight in the fight over transparency with the Austin Police Department. It has to do with what's known as the G file. It's a personnel file on police officers that contain complaints, whether there's evidence to support them or not. KXAN's Barrett Tryon has more on what a judge's ruling means.
A Travis County judge ruled late Friday the city of Austin's city manager and chief of police have, quote, unlawfully failed to perform their mandatory duty to end the city's use of the G file. Any official complaint made by someone in the public lands in the G file. If there is disciplinary action, they are public. If not, they're left private. They cannot be requested or viewed through a public information request. The G file is meant to keep a list of unsubstantiated claims against officers. One reason the department says is to prevent potentially harming officers' reputations for claims that have not been proven. It can also include complaints that officers were never disciplined for. The judge's decision means the use of a G file is now in violation of the Austin Police Oversight Act, which is part of Prop A. It was passed by voters in May 2023. The Austin Police Association has said before the kind of access to these files violated state law. So the city and city council wanted to wait to see how much of Prop A could be implemented. Equity Action filed a lawsuit when the city did not immediately adopt the changes that voters approved. The group argues the delay is stopping officers from being held accountable.
I don't believe that we're going to move into some world of radical transparency. I do believe that we are taking a very solid and important step towards a functional oversight system.
The Austin Police Association Vice President of Communications told KXAN on Saturday this is not the judge's final ruling and said the APA is waiting to see what the city of Austin's actions are moving forward. In Austin, Barrett Tryon, KXAN News.
The city must now decide how these oversight measures would potentially be implemented. Some need to be spelled out in police contracts, which remain in negotiations. The G file remains one of the sticking points of that contract. We'll keep you updated with what happens next.